Hi friends, today I have decided that I will be speaking to you and I will be talking about my ride. As I start from Panvel, I will be going over onto the Mumbai Goa highway, and on the way I will be crossing Karnala Ghat, and from there I will be going ahead more towards a place called Apta Fata, where there was a toll naka in past which has now been stopped. I will take a turn and I will come back the same way. A total of about roughly 35-36 kilometers, maybe a little more. And there's a steep climb as we go along the ghat. So while coming back, the ghat is a little steeper as when you are going towards the south. The northbound road appears to be having a slope which we have to climb more, and it is easier to climb that slope while going towards the south. So here we start. I am on my way. I'll be crossing the Panvel circle, and after I pass the Panvel circle, I'll be going to the bypass. I'll be bypassing the main road from underneath the pass, and then all the way I cross, go round and join the main road. Panvel has got temples, and one of the famous temple which is on the main road is called Panchmukhi Maruti Mandir, or Maruti temple as you can call. It's Hanuman temple, and lot of devotees do come there, especially crowded on Saturdays. So people do stop, take a halt, pray, and then go ahead on the journey. This was the road that was taken by both the people going to Goa and people going to Pune as well. But now the road has been divided. Now you need not come to Panvel even if you are going to Goa, or if you are going to Pune, you can take the bypass and you bypass this road. So I will say that the congestion on this road is much less now. It's easy to cycle. There have been new highways that are coming in. JNPT is a major port which is just close to Panvel. There's a place called Uran which is about 20-25 kilometers from here, and that would bring all the heavy vehicles from there. So the heavy vehicles have a new road now. They're bypassing the main roads and they go over the flyovers. Yet they do land up on the main roads as well. But all in all, this is much less crowded now because there are options for the vehicles, the option for the travelers to choose the road they want. I'll be taking a turn at the Palaspa Fata. It's a Palaspa is a village, so any Fata means there is a end of that road, or the road ends there or starts there from the village. So Palaspa Fata I'll be taking a turn, and then I will be going on to the Mumbai Goa highway. If I was to go straight, I will be going on the old Bombay Pune road. People do take this road from Panvel and they join the highway at a place called Cone ahead. I will be now going on and paddling my way. I will be coming across many villages on the way. Shirdon is one of them, and Shirdon is famous for Krantivir Phadke. We have this memorial hall in his name in Panvel. He was a revolutionary. I read about his history, and what I found was something amazing that this man did. It is a part of history now, but this man fought the British and he had taken the British Empire, it seems, for the whole day in India. So one day he had captured all the places in Pune, the headquarters, and the British were so upset that they arrested him and he was jailed and tried for treason. Okay, more later as we go ahead. I will be discussing all these things. Thank you, and let us see. I will be back on my way. Here we continue with the ride. I will join you soon.